Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I've got a tag. I'm going to try to start doing Tag Tuesdays because that's just the day to do it. This is if I lost all my makeup, the top 10 things I would replace first, or that I would have to replace, just have to. So we're going in. Y'all know this is so hard because when you are a makeup lover, when you have a lot of makeup, you do have a lot of makeup. You have a lot of favorites. And it's really hard to choose what you would buy. And some of these are like, I have to have this, so what can I have that might combine a couple things type of deal, like a palette. So it's okay. So we're going to start with the base of the face. Now this, I'm not including primers or moisturizers or anything like that because we're just not. This is just about the makeup. I am going to go with the L'Oreal Pro Infallible Pro Glow because I love how this sits. It can oxidize a little bit, but it's not bad. I love how this sits and just makes my skin really glowy. Like, my skin is like healthy looking anyway, but with this it'd be even more glowy than what it is right now. And this is an old favorite. It's an old tried and true. It lasts really good, especially with certain primers, but I just love this. It has SPF 15 in it, which is really good. I just love this foundation. They have so many shades, and there's always buy one get one free or something, or buy one get one half off. And y'all would think I might, because today I'm wearing the Healthy Foundation from Physicians Formula, and I really like it a lot. I love how it sits, and it does give a nice finish to your skin, like a kind of satiny finish, I guess. But the thing with that one, and the difference between that and this, I don't remember this one settling in these lines really bad. But the thing is, it settles and then it like cracks. I'm like, I don't have these wrinkles right here, like out towards the side. I like, I don't have that. So it's just like, I guess from moving your face and stuff, it does weird things right there, especially. And it's like, that's my only holdback why I chose this foundation over that one, because this one does not tend to do that. Next, for concealer, and y'all know a lot of people go with Tarte Shape Tape. I like Tarte Shape Tape, but Tarte Shape Tape, the darker colors like to oxidize a little orange on me. And I don't know why they want to oxidize orange. And also, it's so expensive. You do get a bit of product, but it's expensive. They only have 14 shades, which don't always match me all the time. So, however, ColourPop's No Filter Concealer, they have like what, 40 shades now? I don't know how many shades they have. And it's like $6 a pop. The only thing is it can make my eyes look a little creepy dry underneath. But the thing is, it covers up my zombiness. And it's really good covering around my nose and if I have pimple, it's good. And I have to get more shades because I'm already in the darkest shade that I ordered. And these do oxidize, so be sure to order like 2 shades lighter than you would normally for your face. But this is great. I like this a lot. I love this a lot. So you get a lot of product for the amount of money. For my face setting powder, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose because it's the only thing I found that will keep my nose matte throughout the day. Now, however, I noticed like getting up at almost 100 degrees with 100% humidity, I might get a little oily at the end of the day, but you know, I only get oily on my nose, and it's not a deal breaker because it's not so bad like any other powder I've ever tried or anything. I mean, it's just towards the end of the day I might have a little oil peeking through, but it's not bad at all. And the only other thing is like it can kind of look a little splashy on my nose. It hasn't been as big of an issue as it was before, so not even that, but it sets really well. I think I've used it to set my under eye before too, so great deal, great powder, at least for me. Alright, mascara. I am going with the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This is not the waterproof. The waterproof needs turpentine to come off. But this one is smudge proof and it'll come off. So, and I don't have any transfer issues with this at all, and it looks great on the eye. So this mascara is bomb. Okay, next I'm going with the palette. And it's limited edition, so like I'm cheating. This is the Medium Deep Physicians Formula palette because I got a bronzer that I actually like, a blush that shows up on me that's pretty, and this highlight is actually really gorgeous on. I mean, that's a glittery mess, but this is gorgeous on. So I've got 3 things That's all I need. 3 things. So, yeah, the butter collection. This is for me. Good job. Alright. Next, I'm going with, this is not the color. I would probably go with Swank. Swank would be the color I bought first. But the Bare Minerals, this is actually a statement matte. I would go with the Gen Nude. Just making sure I don't have it in here and I don't see it in here at all. So, with the Gen Nude, but they're just the same formula, just a different wand. It's weird. And different colors. Like, these are the bolder colors in the statement matte, and the Gen Nudes are like nude colors. But Swank is like the purple nude, dark, deep, rich color. Like, rich color. That is perfect for fall and even in winter. Like, if I'm not rocking a red, I'm usually rocking Swank. Or ochreous, like metallic purple. That's just preference. But I love that color. It's gorgeous. So, and next, I would actually go with a Buxom. It's a lip polish, and it might sound conceited, but I don't have it in here. But, you know, they kind of look like this. But it's the shade I got from Summer, and it's the shade Nicole. It looks a lot like this. It's a little bit deeper. But it's like that color, and it's sparkly. And it's called Nicole, and it's a full-on lip polish that is pigmented. It's gorgeous. I love glosses, especially in the summer, more than I do in the winter. So, well, I'll rock it in the winter. It's just, most of my colored glosses don't go with my winter look, so yeah. Moving on, that is 7 things. So I know this is probably what would Nicole pick? What would Nicole pick out of all of her palettes to replace? What would she pick? And I didn't go with anything limited edition, even though I had the Fish Editions formula. I cheated a little bit. That's limited edition, but it's okay. I was like, well, let's not. So, the first thing I would replace is my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I know it's surprising, but even though you got a few similar shades and you really need more cooler transitions, a couple of them at least. I mean, I got this black I can use as a liner if I need to. A few darker colors. This shows up lighter and is actually gorgeous. This one is. Then it looks in the pan. This section's gorgeous. This is like my favorite shade ever, just about. And I mean, you can go fall, you can go more summer, you can go neutral if you have to go neutral. And it's just a really good palette. Next would be, I'm going low end. Look, BH Festival palette. This thing is gorgeous, so gorgeous, so different. Like all these shades, you have all these different shades that you won't find in many palettes, if at all. You have a few duochrome colors. The shimmers are gorgeous. The mattes are gorgeous and pigmented, and they stay. Even that one will show up on me. It's just a gorgeous palette and so affordable. And I always have sales. Like for the past few weeks, I keep having a sale, and it's dropped down to like $11 instead of $18. So get your hands on it. I don't know if they're making it permanent. If it is permanent, whatever. But great palette. Last one that apparently one of my cats decided to chew on the corner when it was sitting in here is the Magic by Juvia's Place. If you know me, you know I have extolled the virtues of this palette. I have loved this palette. I don't know why it's so messy at the moment, but it is. Something's gotten to made it messy. But this is what it looks like. I mean, it's gorgeous. You have all these gorgeous mermaidy jewel tone colors, and you got some warmer colors along with this gorgeous pink, but you got some warmer ones. Like you can stay in this warm family and even add a dash of one of the other ones and have a fall look, late summer look, summer winter look. It's gorgeous, and the pans are ginormous. These colors are so rich and gorgeous. It's just like the most gorgeous greens and shifty duochromes like all these are, and it's a gorgeous palette. I highly recommend this one if you have to get one of them at all and you like a little color, but you also might want some. Now the thing is, all these are, yeah, satin. I mean, that one's not. And then so these are your transition shades. So you can get away with this if you're lighter skin, but if you're afraid of a bold transition shade, maybe not your first choice. Because these are all really pigmented and they show up how they do in the pan. So if you're not into a bold transition shade, you know, you like a lighter or you need a lighter one, maybe not. But if you're okay with playing with a lot of color and pigment, this is a great palette. So, and there we go. I can't believe I narrowed it down to 10. I'll have 3 honorable mentions, okay? Like, if you can't get that better, I would go with this one because that blush is workable for me. That highlight's actually really pretty on me, and I love this bronzer, actually. So, you know, this was in there until Life I got that palette. And I was like, I really wanted 3 eyeshadow palettes in my thing. And then this blush, especially, like, I love Tarte blushes, but this Seduce shade, this is probably one of the only ones that I've, like, kind of worked out. Like, it's kind of, like, it's in there. I mean, it's mostly faded right there. It's such a pretty, I have it on today. It might not be showing as much today, but I have it on. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Such a gorgeous nude. It actually shows up a little bit more reddish. Not even reddish. Like, not red. I'm talking like the dirt red. Like the dirt red. You know what I'm talking about? The clay. I guess that makes it. It's just like more like a clay color on me. Like the red clay. But that's, I think, more my skin tone. On anybody else, it might show up a little bit more brownish. But on me, I don't know, it brings out the red. Not super, super red, but, you know, there's red undertone to the nude. And these, any color of these, this, well, except maybe like, I don't know if they have a baby pink in a concealer shade, but in this color, the L'Oreal Pro Matte glosses are so freaking awesome, so freaking gorgeous. Love, love, love them. So, yeah, those are my honorable mentions that I can say. You notice I don't even have a brow pencil. I don't even have my brows done right now. It is not a priority. Like, I have to have them done. I don't have to have them done for a video. I'm like, it's okay. It's not major. Yeah. If I was really self-conscious, I would just fill them in with eyeshadow. So, anyway. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my answers to my, if I lost all my makeup, what would I replace first? Or what would I have to replace right then and there? So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.